Good morning, students. Say today I will be taking the fourth lesson, that is delicious food. Delicious food. Understood? And delicious means what? Meaning of delicious is a favorite food. Understood? Meaning of delicious food means a favorite food or likely food. Understood? Favorite food or likely foods. Understood? Now let us start the lesson with page number 27. Look, page number 27 here. See, know the food that is available in your locality and identify the food grains available in your locality and identify the food which you eat. Now here is one question is there. Let me write on the board. Now you must know that what is delicious food. Delicious means favorite food or likely food. Understood? Now let me write here. Now see, only you take your textbook and a pencil. Textbook and pencil only you must with where say you with where you take your textbook and what you do only page number 27 you open. First sit properly. Now open page number 27 and what I tell you, try to do it. Understood? Now here is one question for you. So what is the first question here? Are there food items that you have eaten? Are there food items that you have eaten in the pictures given below? So here are some name of the pictures are given. Pictures of food items are given with where? Here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಫುಡ್ಗೂ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಚಿತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ food items that you have eaten in the pictures, they are given here. So if yes, put right mark in the box. Food items that you have eaten. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ ನೀವು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿಂದಿರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಈಟನ್. Now I will be telling one by one. Understood? Now I will be showing in. Now see on the board I will be first the question. Now you do one thing. First one, first I tell, orally I tell, say first one, have you eaten idli? Idli you have eaten. Take pencil and put tick mark here. Put tick mark here. Tick mark like this. Idli, you write first one, idli. So you put, if you eaten, you put right mark like this. Put right mark in the box here. Put a tick mark here. Tick this one. Right mark. Put right mark. This is here. In front of this, put right mark. Mark it. Done? Done it? If you not done, do. Otherwise, let it be. Now here. You can see the, what is this next? Second one. It is chapati. Chapati also you have eaten. So put right mark. Chapati also. First one idli, second one chapati. Chapati. So this is the, so if you eat right tick mark like this way. Understood? Next, what is next one? Yellow color one. It is pulao. Right here, third one. It is pulao. PALAV. So you can put a right mark here. Put right mark in the textbook only. Now next, what is next? Fourth one. fourth one, it is what? This ragi dosa or dosa even. Ragi dosa. If you written, you put the right mark. Otherwise, if you written, you put right mark. Otherwise, you put wrong mark. Understood? Only simple. With where? Easy. With where? Is it easy for you? No. Fifth one is again it is dosa only. So you have written. So put the right mark. Put right mark for this now. Let us go to next item. That is your favorite item. That is jamun. Understood? Anup writing there. Anup. Writing now? No. Now. After dosa, what is there? Jamun. Jamun. Sixth one, jamun. Right? Jamun. Jamun. It is your favorite food. So all my written. So put right mark in the column. It is sweet in taste. Jamun, it is tastier in the taste. It is very tastier for you and a sweet item. So you can all have written. So you can put right mark. With where? Show your face. Are you writing or not? With where? With where? Can you hear? Now, next one. Next, seventh one. Write down 7. It is the fish. F is fish. So, easy one. With your, can you understand this one? Now, fish. If you have written, put right mark in your textbook. Put right mark in your textbook. Understood? Now, next after fish, 8 one. This also you have written. That is egg. egg. So now let's put right mark. Very simple work for you to do. Understood? Egg also you have written. Next, something item is kept here. Next, ninth one, bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. So this also you have written. So put right mark in the box. Now after bread, what is that? Milk. 10th one, milk. Milk is there. So for milk also you are drinking milk. So you can put right mark in the column here. Now lastly, what is there? Puri. Everyone one, your normal favorite or likely food item, that is puri. So this also put right mark in the box. Understood? So these are this is about the first page. About first page, and I think once again I will be telling you what are these. Understood? Along with spelling I will be telling. Look here. Now, first one is the IDLI. IDLI means idli. Spelling of it is IDLI, idli. Next one, this is second one is chapati. CHAPATI, chapati. Understood? Misbah. Look the spellings here. Spellings. You look the spelling guide. Now you can also write in this one in the test in your classwork. CHAPATI, chapati. This is the spelling of chapati. Then next one, palav. PALAV, palav. Then next, ragi dosa. RHA ragi, DOSA dosa. Then regular dosa, that is rice dosa, DOSA dosa. Spelling jamun, JAMUN, jamun. Next, FIS fish. FIS fish, EGG egg, BREAD bread, MILK milk, PURI puri. So these are all of the your likely food items. You can take down in your writing book, in your classwork. You can write one time. Write one time in your, because the names are not written in the textbook. They are not given names here. So you can write in your writing book. In your classwork book, you can write these things. Understood? So let me write the heading here. Food items that you have eaten. Let me write the here heading and write this heading. BLICR, delicious food. Now let me write the heading here. Food items that you have written in the box given below. Food item, question number 1. Food item items that you have eaten, in the pictures given below. In the pictures given below. If yes, put right mark. If yes, put right mark. Put right mark. Mark. So this is the question. Let me try this one. Food items that you have written in the pictures are given below. If yes, put right mark. So if you have completed, I'll be going to next one. Writing over. This was completed writing in your notebook you written. Have you written in notebook? See here. Look here. Look here 1 minute. Bisba, have you written in your classwork book? This one. See, if you have written in the notebook, I'll be cleaning it and let us go to next page. Now, writing over, Isma, your writing is over. Writing finished. Completed writing. Have you completed writing? Right. With your sit properly, not like that. Sit properly first. Don't stick there. Sit properly. Sit properly. See, have you written this one? Completed? Now you must write whatever given in the on the board. Now shall I rub? Shall I clean it? Shall I clean? Now. Now let us go to next page. Page number 28. So here is one question for you before going to next page. Here is one question for you, that is, which is your favorite dish? Which is your favorite dish? You can write in the separate page. Isba, what one question is asked for you? See, which is your favorite dish? You can write here only. Take pencil and write the favorite dish which you like from this. Which is your favorite dish item? You can write here in the notebook. Here you can the textbook only you can write here. Understood? Now look page number 28. Look at the pictures. Question 2 here. Question 2. Look at the pictures. Page number 28. Page number 28. Page number 28. Page number 28. And here is one question. Next question. It is second question. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Put right mark. Put right mark in the space provided. In the space. In the space. In the space provided. If you know the folder. If you know the folder. Well, this is the question. Let me underline. Now what you must do? See here in page number what 28 the food items are given here. In page number 28 food items are given here. So what you are supposed to do? I will be writing the names on the board and you can take down. Understood? So now here first one, that is look at the pictures, put right mark in the space provided if you know the folder. Now this is rice. First one R-I-C-E, rice. Rice means in Kannada it is called akki. Rice andre akki and If you see, you put right mark. If you are seeing, put right mark. Next one, second one, it is ginger. 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 Understood? This is the ginger. This one is ginger. You can see here this bar. This one is ginger. Understood? Here you can see the ginger here. Understood? This is the ginger. I think you can see here. This is the ginger here. Ginger, which I am showing here. Then that is. It is, if you are seeing, you put right mark. Next, third one, maize. M-A-I-Z-D. M-A-I-Z-D. Maize. Maize, means gunjala also. So this you might have eaten many times. So this you write tick mark here if you have eaten. If you know the food item. M-A-I-Z-D, maize. Next, after maize, it is, your likely food, that is milk. Right? Fourth one, milk. Milk also, so put right mark in the column. Next, fifth one. Fifth one, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Put right mark in front of this because you have eaten banana. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. After banana, next, sixth one, meat. M-E-A-T, meat. If you are done or say, you can put right mark. Seventh one. What is seventh? Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. In Kannada it is called Mulangi. Put right mark here. Next, apple. Eighth one, apple. Eighth one, apple. Apple, you can put right mark. Put right mark in front. Here, here. This one, apple. This is apple. This is the radish. Radish is the Mulangi. Now, apple. A-P-P-L-A, apple. Apple also you have eaten. Not apple, it is tomato. Tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O. Put right mark. Next, fish. Ninth one, fish. Ninth one, fish. Your 5, 6 fish. Put right mark. Next, honey bee. 10th one, honey. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. Honey bottle is given. So put right mark if you have tasted. After honey, next, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. So you can write right mark. 12th, butter. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Put right mark if you have tasted. Butter. Only last 5 minutes are left. So let me give some more words and I finish. I think you cannot see. Let us continue tomorrow. So this much you can write now. will be right soon. Time is up.